Windows 11 22H2 update is rolled out to everyone and you will soon get it on your Windows 11 laptop as well. Here are 5 new features in Windows 11 that you did not know about. The first feature is tabs in the File Explorer. Now, when you open the File Explorer, there is a small plus sign just like we have in our browser to add new tab. You can have multiple different folders in a tabbed layout so you don't have to navigate between them with Alt-Tab just like we used to do earlier. You can also copy files between folders by just dragging and dropping on these tabs without navigating between multiple folders back and forth. The second feature is the taskbar drag and drop update. Finally, after all the backlash that Windows had received on removing our beloved drag and drop feature, it is now back in this new Windows 22H2 update. There is nothing new in this feature, but it has finally made its way back from the dead. The third feature is multitask in a snap. Windows 11 is making multitasking fun and easy by providing snapping features inbuilt into the windows. You just need to hover your mouse over the Resize Windows tab and an option to snap your windows appears. You can also resize the windows depending upon your use case. It makes multitasking more fun if you have a bigger screen. So if you have a bigger screen, then this functionality is a boon for you. The fourth new interesting feature is about multiple desktop modes. This is the most interesting thing and the thing that I love the most in this new update. You can create multiple desktops and navigate between them using the gestures on your trackpad. The 3-finger hold brings multitasking window that we used to access using Alt-Tab. But now it can also be accessed using a 3-finger gesture where you will get an option to create multiple desktops. You can switch between these desktops with a simple 4 fingers left or right swipe on your laptop's trackpad. Just place 4 fingers on your trackpad and swipe left or right to switch between the desktops. And you can just swipe up using 3 fingers to open the multitasking window to create or remove desktops. The fifth important update is screen recording in snipping tool. Our favorite snipping tool gets a screen recording feature now. So you can record a portion of the screen and there is no limit to the duration, but it does not capture audio and it only captures video. It comes in handy when you need to record short instructional videos that involves multiple steps. In the past, we would take multiple screenshots to show the steps, but now we have short video instructing the same. So those were the 5 new updates that I liked in this new Windows 11 update that is going to be rolled out soon to every Windows 11 laptop or PC. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or queries, or if you have suggestions about future videos, then you can add them in the comment section below. Please share this video, it will help support this channel. See you next time. Till then, bye bye and have a good day.